inauguration of the Union Office building of Insurance Corporation Employees Union Rajahmundry Division. And on this occasion, we dedicate this building not only to the cause of the insurance employees, but also to the cause of working people of this area at large. It is in fact an honor for a divisional organization to have its own Union Office building, because this will not only give housing to the office work or the union work, but then this will be a center where there will be a lot of discourse on issues confronting the insurance industry, issues confronting the insurance employees, issues confronting the working people of India, and issues confronting Indian society at large. So this will provide as a fulcrum for the thinking people of the area of Rajahmundry. Insurance employees today are in the midst of struggle. Basically, we are fighting for the protection of the Life Insurance Corporation of India in the public sector. Secondly, there is also the question of the pending wage revision of the insurance employees. But we feel insurance employees, while these two issues are equally important to us, the basic question is how to protect LIC in the public sector. Because the government today, by giving a false slogan of Atmanirbharta or self-reliance, it is on a selling spree of the public sector institutions at large. In that context, the government has decided to float the IPO of the LIC and offload its equity in the capital market. We believe that floating of the IPO or offloading of the shares in the stock market, this is the first step towards privatization of a very successful public sector institution. The Life Insurance Corporation of India, this doesn't belong to the insurance employees or the policyholders only. This belongs to the people of India at large, because this is a public sector. And this LIC has been doing a commendable job so far as mobilizing resources for the economy is concerned, so far as giving security to the policy monies of the people are concerned, and its contribution to the national developmental effort is enormous. The LIC, which was created with a mere capital of 5 crores, today it commands an asset base of a astronomically huge sum of 32 lakh crore. There is no other institution anywhere in the world that can lay a claim to this kind of assets. So far as market share is concerned, even after more than a quarter century of liberalization, the LIC today lords over a market share of more than 70%. There is no public sector or private sector institution anywhere in the world that can claim a market share as large as the LIC commands. So far as the policyholders base is concerned, the total number of customers in LIC, this is probably, they will constitute the third largest population in the world. But unfortunately, our government, because they are committed to promoting the interest of the private corporate capitalist class, they are out to destroy and destabilize the whole area of public sector institutions. But then the insurance employees under the banner of the All India Insurance Employees Association, we have been trying to mobilize public opinion. We have been meeting the members of parliament. We have been meeting our opinion makers. As of now, we have already met more than 402 members of parliament and 392 eminent citizens of India. We will try to make this struggle, the struggle of the insurance employees, into a people's struggle, so that people's institutions like the Life Insurance Corporation of India, they remain in the public domain and they continue to provide the strength and the resources that are badly needed for national developmental effort. Alongside that, having contributed to the process of having made LIC a world-class institution, LIC employees, they deserve a very good wage revision in keeping with the growth and prosperity of the institution. We have been demanding that. We will be in struggle on that question also. So on these issues, the insurance employees throughout the length and breadth of India, they are going on a one-day strike action on the 18th of March 2021. And we are confident the way the working people all over India, be it from the coal sector, the defense employees, the telecom employees, central government employees, state government employees, they have been uniting against the destructive policies of the government of India. We are confident this strike will be an unprecedented success under the banner of the All India Insurance Employees Association, under the banner of the Joint Front of Unions. We assure the people of India, we assure the people of Rajahmundry, we assure the people of Andhra Pradesh, the ruling classes, they might try to destroy public sector institutions, but insurance employees, by making common cause with other toiling sections of the people, we will protect LIC in the public sector. We will give prompt and efficient servicing to the people of India, to the policy holders, and we will protect the economic and political sovereignty of India. In this great patriotic duty, we seek your support and cooperation. Thank you very much.